the oven?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot.
Nothing says loving like picking from the oven.
You do this once a year?
Sometimes 3 times, once or twice. September's a great month for it.
That's what she's wanted to do all along.
Yeah, I can tell you've done this a lot before.
A couple of times.
Yeah.
Wire off. Bring that garbage bill over all, yeah.
Mel, take a picture of the face. Ann would love that part.
I like that t-shirt.
No apple in his mouth.
Oh man. Turn around so I can get the front one. There you go. That is cool. Thank you. Take a different view here.
And don't forget, I had to go to the hospital because I had a piece of wire in my throat on the last one.
Oh, here comes the good stuff right there.
I don't think that's true.
No, it's the stuff right there, man.
That's what life is all about.
Where's all this
There you go.
wire? You want some of that?